how to create Google Translate shortcut on desktop. So if you want to create Google Translate shortcut on your desktop, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your browser. After opening your browser, now on the address bar, you need to type in translate.google.com. After that, press the enter key. Now you'll get this kind of interface, Google Translate. You can go with your requirements. You can go with English, Spanish, French, or to convert it to Spanish or Arabic. Select the input and output languages as per your requirement by clicking on the drop down arrow. Once you've selected, now you need to go with the top right, which has that three dots. And from here, you need to go with more tools and go with shortcut, create shortcut option. Or you can also go with cast, save, and share. And here you will have create shortcut or install page as an app. So you just need simply go with it and then go with create, and it has been added. Now, if you go back on your desktop, you can see your Google Translate right here. Now, Google Translate desktop shortcut has been created successfully. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.